back to Kitchen Therapy for Corporate Trauma. Tonight we're making baked rigatoni, and I'm going to teach you why layering your exit strategy is just as important as layering your pasta. See this pasta hitting the water? That's you, day one, full of hope, ready to cook. But here's what no one tells you. The way you start planning your exit determines the way you leave, and most people, they leave with nothing. Start thinking about your exit strategy the day you start any job, not because you're planning to leave, because you're planning to have options. This meat browning, this is what happens when the job starts getting hot. The pressure builds, the stress increases, your spirit starts changing color and not in a good way. This is when most people make the mistake. They think, I can't take this anymore, and they rage quit. Walk out, give 2 weeks notice, leave with nothing. Don't be the meat that gets burned. When you're burned out and angry is the worst time to quit. That's when you make emotional decisions. Strategic exits happen when you're calm and prepared. Garlic powder, that's a timestamp. Onion powder, that's a screenshot. Italian seasoning, that's an email you forwarded to your personal account. Red pepper flakes, that's the audacity they had. Document it. You don't leave a job without seasoning your exit. Every incident, every accomplishment, every time they contradicted themselves, season the situation so when it's time to cook, you've got flavor. And by flavor, I mean leverage. Documentation is your seasoning. Without it, your exit is bland. You have nothing to negotiate with. With it, you have a case. Here's the Rayos, because even when I'm stressed, I still have taste. This sauce is your value statement. Everything you brought to that company. The projects, the revenue, the fires you put out they didn't even know about. You pour this in slow because you need to know your value before you can negotiate it. Most people can't just list 5 things they accomplished last year. Can you? If not, start writing. Before any exit conversation, write down your top 10 accomplishments. Quantify them if possible. Like saved X amount of dollars, reduced by Y percentage, led Z people. This is your sauce. Stir it together, let it simmer. See, strategic exits take time. You don't walk in tomorrow and announce you're leaving. You stir the pot quietly. You update your resume while they think everything is fine. You network while they think you're loyal. You interview while they think you're committed. The sauce needs time to develop. So does your exit plan. A proper exit takes 3 to 6 months of quiet preparation. Update LinkedIn, reconnect with your network, start interviewing, and never announce until you're ready. Now we dump in the pasta. This is the moment you commit. You've done the prep work, you've got the documentation, you've got another offer, or at least options. Now you can have the conversation. I'd like to discuss a strategic transition. Not I quit, not I'm giving 2 weeks notice, a strategic transition. That language alone changes everything. Never say I quit. Say I'd like to discuss a strategic transition that benefits both of us. This opens up negotiation instead of closing it. Look at this mix. This is your negotiation room. Everything coming together. Your documentation, your value statement, your knowledge of what they'll lose when you leave. Mix it with confidence, not desperation. They need this transition to go smoothly. That's worth money to them. Severance, extended benefits, a positive reference. You're not begging. You're mixing a deal that works for both sides. In negotiation, remember a smooth transition is valuable to them. Offer it in exchange for what you want. Severance, benefits, references, consulting fees, whatever you want. Now we layer everything together. See how we build this? Your exit package is the same. It's not just one thing. Severance, that's a layer. Extended health insurance, another layer. PTO, another layer. I meant paid PTO. Positive reference agreement, layer. Non-compete modification, layer. You don't ask for one thing. You build a package, layer by layer. Exit packages have multiple components: severance pay, benefits continuation, PTO payout for states that don't automatically do that, reference letters, non-compete adjustments, outplacements. Ask for the whole package. Now we wait. Let it bubble, let it do its thing. After you make your ass stop talking, silence is uncomfortable. Use it. Let them think. Let them go talk to legal. Let them come back with the counter. Don't fill the silence with doubt. Don't lower your ask before they even respond. Let it bubble. After making your ask, be quiet. Negotiation experts know whoever speaks first after a proposal usually loses. Let the silence work for you. And here she is. Thick, cheesy, warm, stable. Everything your corporate job never was. This is what happens when you don't rage quit. When you layer your strategy, when you season your exit with documentation, when you negotiate like your future depends on it, because it does. This right here, this is leaving with your peace and a check. Want the full recipe plus my strategic exit checklist? Comment Rigatoni and I'll send it to you for free, because you've been giving that job gourmet energy and getting microwave treatment in return. Thanks for coming to Kitchen Therapy for Corporate Trauma. Your pasta is done, your exit strategy is forming, and your old job, still not worthy. See you next episode.